Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 upgraded Aiper Scuba S1 robotic pool cleaner. I looked through the internet, checked the official specifications, expert opinions, and user feedback to find out whether this robotic pool cleaner is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest upgrades is the battery life. In eco mode, the Scuba S1 can run for up to 270 minutes, making it ideal for regular maintenance without constantly needing to recharge. If your pool needs a deeper clean, you can switch to auto, floor, or wall modes, which still provide up to 180 minutes of cleaning power. Through the companion app, you can even create a weekly cleaning schedule, allowing the robot to keep your pool clean with very little effort from you. Navigation is another area where this cleaner really stands out. It uses 11 high-precision sensors along with Aiper's improved WavePath navigation system to clean your pool in an organized pattern instead of moving around randomly. The robot continuously analyzes your pool's layout, reducing missed spots and unnecessary overlap, while improving overall cleaning efficiency. Cleaning performance is equally impressive. The upgraded dual filtration system combines a standard 180-micron filter with a replaceable 3-micron ultrafine filter that captures everything from leaves and twigs to fine dust, sand, and tiny debris. The result is noticeably cleaner water, especially if your pool regularly collects fine particles that many standard robotic cleaners struggle to remove. Another major advantage is its ability to clean almost every part of the pool. It handles the floor, walls, waterline, and even shallow areas over 12 inches deep. Thanks to its caterpillar tread system, the robot climbs walls confidently and maintains strong traction on different pool surfaces, giving you much more complete coverage than entry-level pool cleaners. The app also adds a lot of convenience. You can select different cleaning modes, monitor the robot status, and customize cleaning schedules directly from your smartphone. It's a simple feature, but one that makes regular pool maintenance much easier. Of course, no product is perfect. Like most cordless robotic pool cleaners, you'll still need to recharge it after longer cleaning sessions. Also, while the ultrafine filter delivers excellent water quality, it may require more frequent cleaning if your pool collects a lot of fine dirt or pollen. So, would I recommend buying it? After researching everything available online, my answer is yes. If you're looking for a powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner with long battery life, smart navigation, excellent filtration, and true 4-zone cleaning, the 2026 Aiper Scuba S1 is one of the strongest options in its class. It combines convenience, performance, and intelligent features that make pool maintenance much easier. Overall, I think Aiper has made meaningful improvements with this upgraded model. The longer runtime, smarter navigation, better filtration, and full pool cleaning capabilities make it a worthwhile upgrade for anyone who wants a cleaner pool with less manual work. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you decide whether the 2026 Aiper Scuba S1 robotic pool cleaner is the right choice for your pool. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews.